Hey guys, you are looking at the first 360-degree render of Samsung Galaxy Note 9 by all leaks, and as you can see it's pretty much same as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The only not major but a physical change is on the back. But first we talk about front. So as you can see it has a 6.3-inch display with a minimal top and bottom bezel, and it will be 2mm shorter than Note 8. Now on the bottom here's the same thing like Note 8 S Pen, a speaker grill, USB Type-C port for fast charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's come to the back. Now on the back here's the camera placement, same like the Galaxy Note 8 in a horizontal way, but the fingerprint now plays very comfortable place below the camera lenses. And not only that, here is much space left between the camera and the fingerprint sensor. This means that now you can easily access your fingerprint sensor without any hurdles. Specs wise, this phone will be equipped with the Snapdragon 845 processor and Exynos 9810 with 6GB of RAM, and for some special regions, it will become with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. And last time in this video, I said that the Note 9 will be launched somewhere near August 9th and 10th, but now it's confirmed that the Note 9 will be unveiled on 9th August. The unpacked event of the Note 9 is expected to be held in New York City, so we are almost 2 months ahead. So keep watching and waiting for the more rumors, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.